In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dropping frames in OBS. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, you want to open your OBS application and just go to settings. From here, you will see the settings menu right here. So from here, you want to select your video settings. Make sure that your base canvas resolution and your output scaled resolution is same with your current display settings. So if your display settings only support 1920 by 1080, you just want to select that resolution. So the next thing we want to do is you want to make sure that your internet is stable. And if you have already a stable internet connection, you want to go here to your output settings. From here, make sure that your output settings is set to advanced and you want to go to your streaming settings. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that your video encoder is set to NVIDIA NVENC H264. But if you have a low-end PC and your graphics card can't run this kind of encoding, you want to select X264. So the next thing you want to do is go to your encoder settings and make sure that your rate control is set to CBR. Also, you can make your bitrate only 4500 kbps depending on your internet speed. The 4500 kbps can support 60 fps, but if you only want to stream for 30 fps, just set it to 3500. And now you want to set your keyframe interval to 2 seconds. And your tuning, just make it high quality and your preset to best quality. And that's fine. Uh, you may not change the settings of the settings right here in the bottom. So that is what you want to do with your streaming and output settings on OBS. After you've set it, you just want to click apply, then OK. So that's how you fix frame drops on OBS. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.